Hello, I am here for my package.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Anna Smith.
Let me check right now.
I have been waiting 2 weeks.
2 weeks? That is long.
Yes, very important package.
What was inside it?
My grandmother's ring, irreplaceable.
Oh, that is very serious.
Please find it quickly.
I am checking right now.
Is it in the system?
Let me search carefully.
I am so worried right now.
Please, stay calm, please.
Do you see it?
I see something here.
Really? What do you see?
A package under your name.
Oh, thank goodness. Where is it?
Wait, there is a problem.
What kind of problem?
It says return to sender.
What? Returned? Why?
Address was incorrect, apparently.
But I checked the address.
Let me see the document.
Here is my tracking number.
Thank you. Let me check.
What does system say now?
Package left our facility.
When did it leave?
10 days ago, actually.
10 days? Where did it go?
It went back to sender.
This cannot be happening.
I am so sorry.
That ring was from my grandmother.
I understand your feelings completely.
What can we do now?
We can file a claim.
Will that bring my package back?
It may locate your package.
How long does claim take?
About 5 business days.
5 more days? No.
I know, I am sorry.
Is there faster option?
We can escalate your case.
What does escalate mean?
Priority investigation for you.
Yes, please, escalate it.
Okay, filling form now.
Do I sign anything?
Yes, sign right here.
Here is my signature.
Thank you very much.
Will someone call me?
Yes, within 24 hours.
Promise me they will call.
I personally guarantee it.
What is your name?
My name is David.
David, please help me.
I will do everything possible.
That ring means everything to me.
I understand completely, Anna.
My grandmother gave it before passing.
That makes it very special.
It cannot be replaced anywhere.
We will do our best.
Can I speak to manager?
Yes, one moment, please.
Is manager here today?
Yes, she is here.
Please bring her quickly.
Yes, coming right now.
Thank you, David, for understanding.
Of course, that is my job.
You are very kind, David.
I really hope we find it.
Did manager come yet?
She is coming now.
Is she good at solving problems?
Yes, very experienced manager.
How long has she worked here?
Over 15 years here.
Good. She knows everything then.
Yes, she knows everything.
While waiting, can I ask something?
Yes, of course. Ask.
How do packages get lost?
Sometimes labels get damaged.
Was my label damaged?
System shows label issue.
So that is why it returned?
Most likely. Yes, unfortunately.
Can you print a new label?
If we locate package, yes.
Please locate it, David.
I am trying everything possible.
Manager is here now?
Yes, here she comes.
Finally, I am so relieved.
She will help you, Anna.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course, no problem at all.
David, you are very patient.
Your situation deserves full attention.
I will write good review for you.
That is very kind, Anna.
You really helped me stay calm.
That is what I am here for.
I still cannot believe this happened.
We will resolve this together.
Together, we will find my ring.
Yes, I am confident, Anna.
Thank you from bottom of heart.
Let us find your grandmother's ring.
What happens if claim fails?
We offer full compensation.
How much compensation would I get?
Based on declared package value.
I did not declare value.
That complicates things a little.
Oh no, what does that mean?
Standard compensation only applies.
How much is standard compensation?
Up to $100.
Ring is worth much more.
I understand. Very unfortunate situation.
What should I have done differently?
Always declare valuable items.
I did not know that.
Many people do not know.
Can I do it now?
Unfortunately, after the fact, no.
This is a hard lesson.
Yes, very hard lesson indeed.
Will you help me anyway?
Yes, absolutely I will help.